Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple dish that we all can use on some lazy days. It's bacon fried rice. With the ingredients, I'm having right here 2.5 cups of rice. Now you can use any type of rice you want, but make sure that it's on the firmer side. And one way to achieve this is to leave the rice in the fridge for about 3 hours or more. 1 cup of cubed bacon, 2 eggs, soy sauce, 1 cup of chopped green onion and cilantro. Now in my preference, these herbs really bring out strong flavor for the dish, which will make people remember the dish, I believe. But if you don't like them, just leave them out, that's fine. Lastly, some black pepper. Next up, heat up a pan. We are going to fry the bacon, but also get rid of some of the fat. Next, throw in 2 eggs, break them down into small pieces, stir out till them turn golden on the edges, which will create more flavor to the dish. Add in the rice and fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes on high heat. We want it to firmer a little bit more. Then add in the bacon. As you can see, the fat from the bacon will help make the rice soft and keep it from drying out. Adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, but adjust to your taste. Add in the onion and cilantro, turn off the heat, and sprinkle in some black pepper. So there you have it, bacon fried rice. Easy breezy, right? Takes you no more than 15 minutes. So thank you for watching and continuing supporting my channel. Please like the video, comment if you want to discuss on the dish, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys have a great day and see you next time. Bye bye.